Okay, this is the door that I'm going to replace on the one on the car. One thing I did notice when I took it off the pallet over there, they flopped the door down on the speaker and damaged it. I don't know why they just take it off, wrap some bubble on it, give it a tape. It would have fit right in the door there. But anyway, that's done. It's done. The other one on the other door is good. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these hinges off here, and then I'm going to put the nuts back on. I'll explain a little bit when I get out to the car. This one goes out behind the left front fender. Now you have two choices. You try to play with it all day, with bend the tool or whatever, or yank the left front fender. I'm going to see if I can get it on by just removing these and the bottom one. This is a 12mm ratchet wrench. They do have their place. The other thing too I'm going to point out, it's plugged in. It goes into the side of the door frame. Here's the latch. Okay, it's going to be a little bit weird to get it off. I'll show you a little thing that I found out about how to get it uncoupled so you can get it off and unplugged. Stay tuned, I'll be back. Okay, I'm at the door that's been damaged, getting ready to remove. I can't stress enough, take plenty of pictures or videos. I'm going to rotate the camera. Well, let's see what I can do. Okay, these are the door hinges right here. And like I showed you in there, the ones against the fender, way in there. There's really no real way to get in unless you pull this fender out. This here is still on the other door. But you want to remove this at the last moment, because this is what actually keeps the door from going. Because that's the last thing you want to do, is have the door swing out and then nail the fender. I'm going to take the speaker off, and I'll pull this off, and then I'll power down the window like I was explaining the other day. And I'm going to take the glass out, and then I'm going to take the mirror off. Now what I've done is, you could use, I got body panel pry bars. You can, if you really don't have those, just tape up a screwdriver a little bit, and see how that works for you. Let's see, give it a test. Came right off. Now I just gotta unbolt these, take the mirror off. One of my plans is these doors are very awkward and they look heavier than they really are. See these holes here? I got some rope. I think I'm going to run some rope through there, and I got some down here in the bottom to give myself some type of handle to hold on to. I'll be back. Oh, I ran into something interesting. I had to take the speaker out so I can get a better look. You have a little jeweler screwdriver. You got to push down in here to press a little tab to pull this plug out. I'll leave it up to Nissan. It's out now. Oh, you're going to embarrass me now? Yeah, believe me, I got it loose. I'm just showing you what I did. I got the mirror off. I'll give you a rundown. The bolts here and the bolts on the speaker are 10mm. The bolts, nuts I should say in here. Correction, nuts and bolts. These two nuts are 12mm. The one inside the window that I'm going to roll down and take out is 10mm. You can use a Phillips screw or a socket. If you have any problems with the Phillips, even remotely slip, use the socket. Be back. My next project, like I said on the other door, I got to get this clip undone. But apparently where it is right here won't do it. So what it looks like is, and I played with the door a little bit, gonna have to close the door a little bit to create a gap. And then I'll reach in there with the screwdriver and see if I can pop that clip off open and then unplug it. I'll be back. Yeah, it'd be nice to turn this beeping off, but I can't do that unless I shut the door. Give me a, oh, be careful Dave. Give me a follow up. Yeah, you had to close the door a little bit in order to get that clip to pop up. Let's see. There, it's all the way up. Now, sorry about that, guys, girls. Let's see if I can Let's see if I can wiggle this out. I'm gonna have to use both hands, so I'll be back when I get it out. Okay, I got it unplugged. I had to undo that door hole jam. I was gonna undo this one, but I didn't want anything to drop down inside the door. That thing is on tight. They use blue Loctite, so I use my little impact, cordless impact with a 10mm. Make sure you are squarely on that nut, unless you've got a spare one. So I'll be back when I start unbolting the door. The door is off. I was able to take the bolts out all the way up to here, but this last one I was taking out, I could actually see the bolt coming out this way, so I had to stand up and hold it while I get the last bolt out. I mean, God, get that screwed up nut out. Now set up to put the other door on. Be back. Oh Lord, here I am. This is where I've gotten so far. I hand trucked it out. I'm taking a little bit of break. I try to line her up. I'll show you when I get her on the door. Okay, I'm back. I had to rig this up. If you have two friends to help you, that would be great. On the 4th try, I got the door on. These two... Yep. That went south, so I got some more bolts. Nuts. When I found out, the most difficult thing was the bottom hinge here. I can get the bolts on, but it would flick in like this. So once I got it, you know, on there a little bit, I just took the needle nose, went in there, and went like this, and went pop, popped right on. Now I gotta go find the nut I dropped. Okay, I'm back. I got the door mounted and everything. Had to clean the grease pencil off the window. I got the speaker hooked up. Sound comes through it real good. I just taped it together temporarily for right now. Here's the electric window controls. Back up. Okay. All right. Yep. The next thing to do is change out the door cylinder, and I'll be back after I do that. Okay, here's a tip. If I slam the door shut and then you hear me wail because I can't open it anymore, take a screwdriver right under here and press on it so you can trip the lock, like you closed it. Then you come over here, pull on the handle. There, see? So the handle released it. Now the next test is going to be do the same thing. This is the door inside knob, and I'm going to pull on that. So far it looks like it works. So if I decided I need to finish up tonight, homie's getting a little wore out, so I can come back tomorrow and finish it. Okay, I secured that up out of the way so I won't slam anything. Now we're going to hold your breath. It's the first time I close this door all the way. Be nice if it's all lined up. Oh wow, it's closed real nice. And checking gaps. Gap looks fine. There we go. See? Door opens. I think I'll finish it tomorrow. I'll change this out tomorrow and I'll show you guys. So have a great evening. Bye. Okay, it's the next day. Now what I need to do is take the key section fob out of here. First step is I got to pop this rubber grommet off, and I got my torque wrench sockets in there. And what I need to do, see if you guys can see this, see a little yellow little tab down there that goes to the door lock. So I have to manipulate that off. Just give you a heads up, there's plenty of other people out there to show you how to take the knobs off on these leafs. You can go to that if you want. Yeah. I'm balancing this. This is the old door. This is why I had to remove it. The side got redone. You know what? I cut a hole in here to reach the little pull tab, and I finally learned that you can actually stick your hand in here and feel it, but it doesn't help you with the door shut. Jammed. Okay. Yes, I'm still working on my garage, cleaning out 20 years of kids, ex-wife stuff and crap. Okay, let's see. I'll get this off. Ow. Not like pinching your own self. Don't you get back here, dope. I don't want a homer. Okay. Okay. See, that's what I just showed you right in there. See that little... Can't get your finger down in there. Burp, burp. Okay. Ah! There it is. Ah. There's the torque nut. Oh! Whew. Okay. Let's see if the 25 fits it. So, yep, I got a T25. Gonna feel it. Kind of hard to film and hold this at the same time. Well, let me come back when I get it on there or remove it. Okay, I'm back. I got it unscrew. The T25 was too loose. This is a T30 and it gives a pretty good snug fit. So let me go get my driver and I'll get it off. Okay, I'm back. I got it out. Oops. Darn it. Okay. It goes in the door like this. And this little pin latch. The metal arm actuator goes in this hole. And this thing clips around and holds it in. Before it hit the ground. You can reach up inside if you got the fingers and stuff. What I found out is I just used a screwdriver. I just put it up inside. Watched it, and I just got it on. Let me put it this way, it's hard to do. And I just pushed on the corner, manipulated it so it popped out of the way and it came out. Now let's go put it in the new door that I replaced. Okay, I'm back the next day. I'm now changing out the key lock on the door I just replaced. There are a lot of videos out there you can hunt that shows how to replace the door handle and lock. This is my take on it. I found out that I can manipulate the rod that goes on the back of the key up throughout here. Once you unscrew it, loosen it, and you get it out here a little bit, then you can just pop it off and get this rod up here. I gotta go get my long hemostat, and I can grab it from the hole in here and hold it and put it on. I'll be back when I get it installed. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick what I'm doing. See, I got these hemostats. I highly recommend you guys get a couple of these. So, sorry, my fat wrist got it. So you can see the rod in there, and this plays around right here. Just flip it up out of the way, Mickey Mouse it around, get it on there, pop it on, it's on. I'll show you when I get it done. Yeah, a little tip. I got a scare. This is the back, and I go, where the hell is the screw for this? It's right up in there. So don't freak out if you don't have the screw in it. Okay, I got it on. And I just held it with the hemostat. And put the screwdriver behind here. Popped it right on. Now I'm just going to finish installing it. And there you have it. Completely changed out door. Everything works. Later on I'll probably check the color, make sure it closely matches or whatever. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit that notification button because I have plenty of other videos that I haven't uploaded yet. Have an outstanding day.